People talk themselves up, but they don't really got plans. Only pay attention when you show me the payments. Better expedite it, cause I'm losing all my patience. Calling up my girl, I hate to be apart. We're a team, we're taking over, girl, you knew that from the start. We're the heroes in this plot, turn our life to a screenplay. Issues always follow, but that's how it goes these days, these days.
Our life got problems, but we don't care to fix them. Late nights, no problem. Down shots, don't need to mix them. Won't leave each other, both escaping this war. We keep on running, running, run till we can't run anymore. We keep on running. What are we running for? What are we running for? We keep on running till we can't run anymore. Till we can't run anymore. We keep on running.
Coming in due time, winning all these races. Luckily she all mine, turning all these faces. Never been basic, gotta live maxed out. Late night chilling like we never wanna pass out. Down for these raps now, done it from the days I drop a new song and I get like 50 plays. Now my music got a raise and we bout to spend it all. Soon I'll be dropping 5K at the mall, but it's all about the grind. I'm saving it till I make it. I never had the time, replacing like all the fakeness. You see that I've been patient, no one day this all will happen. Money is a bonus, but I do this for reactions. Keep our passion so alive and our love will never fail. I can tell you on a ride